That's where we're going. Ready?
I love this. Steak temperatures are not an opinion, they're a scientific fact, and with the use of a handy thermometer, you can nail them every time. A rare steak is 120 to 128 degrees Fahrenheit. A medium rare steak is 129 to 134 degrees Fahrenheit. A medium steak is 135 to 144 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium well is 145 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. And well done measures 160 degrees and up. There's also another temperature you may have heard of, which is even cooler than rare. In other words, under 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It's called black and blue, or simply bleu if you're in France. A black and blue steak is charred on the outside while the interior is left essentially raw and will be cool to the touch. The color of the interior of a steak can be a good indication of its doneness. Black and blue and very rare steaks will be almost purple in color. As the steak is cooked longer, it takes on more of a pink tone, and by the time it is cooked all the way through, it becomes almost brown or gray. But there are variable parameters in judging steaks by color alone. For instance, daylight will wash out a perfectly cooked medium rare steak, taking it from a rosy pink hue to the dull color of a well-done piece of meat. To be clear, there is no correct temperature for steak. What matters is how you enjoy it. While chefs and food scientists will argue that medium rare is the ideal temperature because this is when the fat within the muscle becomes fully rendered. However, this means little if you don't enjoy your steaks cooked this way. And one more thing, don't be afraid to send a steak that is not cooked the way you ordered it back. The fact is you are paying top dollar for the steak experience. The result should match your expectations. Okay, so that's the knowledge you need to get the perfect steak the way you like it cooked. I'm here at April Bloomfield's brand new hamburger-specific restaurant. This is the Salvation Burger. Oh my God. Okay. Wow.